Hey guys, in today's video, I just want to catch you up on some of the things that I am doing in the bathroom to get it ready for the 6 weeks bathroom collaboration hosted by Wani from Wani's house. In the corner here, I told you guys that I was going to put a cabinet. Well, this is a cabinet that I found. I am putting wheels on it because I want to be able to move it to clean it, even though I want it to look like it was a built-in, but I just have a problem with not sweeping on the things. So have the wheels on there, and it was actually a entertainment center that I'm using. And guys, I have a beautiful video for you showing you how to paint particle board, not real wood, and have it be very good and structural that it will last and it wouldn't scratch. So I put it in the corner in the bathroom, and yes, it fits the area, but like I told you, I want it to look like a built-in. So I'm going to go ahead and move the baseboard so I could cut piece out so I could put the cabinet directly in the corner. So now I am showing you how I remove the baseboard, and that's for any baseboard. How it has nails in it, and plus there's a cork finishing there. So what you do is score on the top of it, and you want to get it where it releases. So I'm going to do it a couple times to make sure that it releases from the sheetrock. As you know, sheetrock is easily to get damaged, and you wouldn't want to damage your paintwork either, because I should have thought about it before I did my painting. But we will do it and do it right. So like I'm showing you, I am scoring it a bit and a bit, and then eventually I'm going to take a knife and release the baseboard to end up cutting it and putting it back in space. As you see, it is coming along pretty nicely. And now we're going to just release it from the wall. And as you see, it is lifting up in a way by itself. So the cork helps to hold it together. So I'm going to use this knife and stick the knife all the way down and just release the board. As you see, I have already had my measurement and I know exactly where to cut it. And just with the knife, just pulling it towards you to release it and look like I got it out. So now is to just go ahead and pull it all the way from the wall and then remove the nails. The nails are put in with a compressor and a air gun, and I don't have that, but in my next video I could show you how you could still get a professional look. So now I pull it all the way out of the wall, and now with my measurement I'm going to go ahead and cut it. So as you see, I am finished cutting it, and I did a very good cut. And now I'm going to go ahead and remove some of the nails. Should have done it first, but go ahead and remove them. And all you need is like a needle nose pliers and just pull them through. They're very easy to come out. You just clip it and then roll and it comes right out of the wood. So now I'm going to line it up, and yes, we have a good cut. So now I will put the cabinet in its space. And my cabinet was an entertainment center. It comes with 3 pieces. So now I put it in there and we have that flushness going on. I want to put baseboard in the front of that too, so it looks like a piece, like a built-in, like it's been there forever. And this is the way everything is looking. So I have to finish it off. And I want this area to sit flush up against here. I already mitered the edges. And I'm going to use caulk to fill in. And guys, yes, it's on wheels. And I still will be able, in case anything, to move this piece with the wheels under it. And I'm going to put another piece to the front of it, and then the other piece to the side. So everything is going to be flush and put together. Yes, so this is how it's going to look. And then the other piece coming from the side of the wall. So you get a nice, flush, clean look. Isn't that cute? Yes. I'm even going to fill in this area right here. I'm going to get some type of molding. And then the other cabinet goes right on the top. Excuse me. So this is how everything is looking. Still haven't gotten my electrical done, but I will have it done by D-Day. Right here, this cabinet came with like an extra piece. And I want everything to be flush so no one will get like snagged on it. So I put some wood filler where after I cut it, I sand it down and put some wood filler. And now I'm going to go ahead and sand it in, even in the area that I bruised right here, to sand it and make it really smooth that it looks like a professional finish. So yes, this is how everything is looking, and I am so happy about it. This is the other cabinet, and it has 2 like this one. I'm going to put one here and then one somewhere else, but I painted everything white. And like I said, guys, come back and I will show you a video on how to paint not so real wood, because this cabinet was not real wood. I just had to try it before I could show you guys how to do it and what to use. So I have lots of storage. As I told you guys, there's only 1 linen closet in this 5,000 square feet house. Where they do that? And this is on the bottom floor next to the theater. That's where this bathroom is. Here is the door to the piece, and it has a glass to it. And I love that feature. And I'm even going to put glass on either side. I did find a door for the top. It was not an accordion door, but I did find a door. These doors right here on the ground goes to this piece right here, right there. And I am so happy with the work. Guys, if you like what I'm doing here, please like, subscribe, and share. Liking my video and sharing my video really helps the channel to get to other viewers and to make my video more popular on this YouTube. So guys, again, please like, subscribe, and share. And in the following day's video, I could show you me putting on the doors and getting this bathroom together. Come back on Friday, and the other part of the collaboration, it will be a haul, so you can see that some of the things that I'm putting in this space. Bye for now.